Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the last tutorial we explored the top 10 Artisan command every Laravel developer should know. But what if you could create your own Artisan command with custom logic, argument and options, just like Laravel does? In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a custom command in Laravel and make it run automatically using the scheduler. As you know, we was learn few commands in last tutorial: view clear, cache clear, and I shown when you fire that command, it's remove views, compile views and cache from this directory. So in this command, I want to clear all the logs, all the Laravel logs stored inside this logs directory, and I want to run one command and remove automatically every day, every week. You can set it. So in this tutorial, I show you how you can make that command. So let's create one log clear command, and for it we need to do three steps. First, we need to create commands using make command, artisan command. Second one, every command have signature and description, so we need to open that command and set signatures and descriptions and write logic into the handle method. And third one is test it, and we can schedule it and you can run automatically every day that command. So let's start. First of all, create that command. Let me open terminal and then fire command php artisan make command and name log clear, and this log clear dot php created inside the console directory. So let's open into the editor, and now you can see here second step, signature and description. So we need to specify signature here, so logs and clear. Signature means your command name. Now I want to add argument here, for example days. So let's specify days. So number of the days, um, instead of this, and let's put 7 is by default, and this one is description. Delete log files from the specified number of days. Now we need to specify our logics here. So let's specify days, and you can get this days options or argument through this method dollar these options and specify your argument key here, and then let's specify log $log path, and let's I'm going to take one variable for count the how many files are deleted. So now let's do for each, and first of all we need to get all the files, and let's specify file, log path, and then we need to do logic. So let's specify file as file, and then this, but let's specify now diff in days dollar file get see time. So this check with these options and delete, and then we're going to use file delete with the path, and now increment this. So this for each basically check and remove all the files, and then we can print info using this info like this, and specify here log files older than days, and I think command is ready. So let's open terminal and fire this command php artisan log clear and test it, because I made one mistake. Directly read this time file created time, and it's integer. We need to create into the carbon object. So let me create it at carbon step. Let's on this and import properly, and then let me do like this, and now specify now here, and it should be work, and you can see two files here, and let's fire this command again, and now you can see deleted two log files older than 7 days, and now you can see there is no files because it's removed through this command. You can specify days. I specify 7 by default, but you can specify like this as well, days 2 1 and 5, and you can see now, but there is no files, and that's why showing deleted 0. Next is, as you see, schedule it. So we just need to open kernel.php from the console, and you can see here you can schedule your command here, and just need to specify name of the command, for example logs clear, and you can set time here. For example, I want to run every day 1 a.m. Just I need to specify 0100, it's run 1 a.m. every day. So you can specify and make it automatically and run on server every day and remove your log files which is older than 7 days. So your directory do not consume lots of size and you can still get last 7 days logs, and that's it. You can easily create your own custom Artisan command in Laravel, and you can try your own command like sending reports, clear files, notifications. Sometimes you want to send automatically notifications. You can create your own logic, schedule it, and send it. Same, sometime we uploading files and we want to upload temporary, we want to remove temporary files from the server. You can run this command like create one command and remove that temporary files and sending reports. Sometime we have requirement to send reports every weekend. Create your logic and send it through the scheduler, and that's it. Thank you for watching the video, and if you found helpful, just like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.